Hi, third graders. Today we'll be practicing the capital cursive letter M in handwriting. This letter has 3 steps. Begin at the top line. This is step 1, 2, 3, and at the dotted line. Notice how the part in the middle goes just above that dotted line. Step 1, 2, 3. So for each letter M that you try, that you trace, you're going to try one of your own. Then you'll be tracing and trying the words one time each. The words are Maine, Maui, Mexico, Mario, Meteo, Missy. There are also 2 sentences to trace and try on this page. Let's read them together. Mom drove to Montana. Millie left Michigan. Remember to trace and try as you work on your handwriting today.